part 2 of this vlog, and I hope that you have watched the part 1 and you pretty much enjoyed that vlog. And guys, this is really very essential part because I'm gonna explain many of the things about our health and well-being and products related to the same. So guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Kanshu's Happy Life, and I feel that we should start without any delay. We should start with this part of a vlog, that is of health and well-being. So guys, now we are gonna start with the wellness section. So guys, what is the importance of wellness section? Guys, it is really very important that you live a healthy lifestyle. If you have a healthy lifestyle, then it will reflect on your face. Your well-being will reflect on your face. So guys, in this section you will be seeing many products which will improve our immunity, which will improve our healthy lifestyle, and there are many things which we're going to see in this section. So I feel that let's get started now. So the first product which I have is Panchagavya tablets. Just a second, I'll just show you. I hope it is visible. So guys, Panchagavya tablets, what is the importance of it? We must know that why do we need to consume it? Guys, these tablets are so very beneficial, and if you have read our ancient scriptures of Indian ancient scriptures, so you might have gone through this thing that Panchagavya has so many benefits. It is overall, like, it is for all body development. It will improve your skin, it will improve your metabolism, it will reduce your blood pressure and cholesterol level, and it has so many benefits, guys, and I'll just read some for you. So guys, it is also good for digestive system. It is it is good for many of the things. Actually, these all things include what I said to you, that it is good for liver problems. It is good for your skin. It is good for your overall improvement of your body. So guys, I feel that one must consume these tablets, and these are very much important for your well-being. So guys, you can just consume one tablet per day. So I'll repeat again, these are the Panchagavya tablets. Okay. Alright, so next is one of my favorite, because I got this for myself. And guys, I feel that everyone must consume this product in these times of COVID. Guys, this is the Sita Kalp. It is the immunity booster health drink. So guys, we'll just check out the benefits of it. So guys, it is it builds your muscles, it helps you to reduce weight, it helps you to grow your metabolism, it helps you to grow your immunity, it increases it helps to just strengthen your bones, and yeah, there are many more, and which you can read on this. I can't read the whole list because it will take a lot of time right there. So guys, I hope that you got the basic the basic importance of it, and this is an immunity booster, and I feel that one must consume it in these times of COVID-19. It will really help you to boost your immunity and live a healthy and detoxified life. Guys, what you need to do is that you can just consume it with in the morning with the milk or with normal regular water. For this, you can read the instructions right there. I'll repeat the product's name. It is Sita Kalp Immunity Booster. Alright, and this is the last product which is really needed for me. Yes, it is needed for me. That is Unique Weight Loss Powder. I know, guys, in this time, in this time of pandemic, we all must have gained weight. Let it be thoda far kyun na ho, let it be some, but I feel that many of us have gained weight in this COVID times, and this powder is a unique formulation which the people of Kapikul have made, And guys, you know, it helps you to improve your digestive system, it helps you to reduce cholesterol, and it helps you to reduce your weight. So I feel that this is something which I really needed, because due to COVID I have also gained weight and I really need to reduce now, I feel so. And guys, I got this for 170 rupees. Alright, so guys, I just want to mention one thing, that now I just it just clicked my mind that I forgot to mention rates of some of the products. So guys, for that you can just check the official website of Kapikul, whose link I've given in the description box itself, or else you can just, you know, check out the description box. I'll mention the rates and the names of these products all right there, so you don't need to, you know, you don't need to panic for the same, that what are the rates of these products and all. And guys, let me mention that the rates are really very nominal. You don't need to pay 1000, 2000 rupees, 5000 rupees just for, you know, body care, skin care, health care. And the most important thing that these products are all herbal and natural at a nominal rate. So guys, this thing is something very phenomenal to me, and I feel that it is the best thing. Okay, so I feel that yeah, I had only these 3 products which I bought, and guys, there are many more, and many more products. Like they have onion oil, they have various types of oils, they have more variety in the immunity boosters, and you know, the people right there will suggest you like what's good for you and what all that you need right now as per your body requirement. So guys, the next 3 products are really my favorite, and one of it is you know, it is related to Krishna ji, and I like its cover, which I'll be showing you. So guys, the third section, now we are going to start with the spiritual section. So guys, first is the Ahuti Dhoop. Guys, you might be getting dhoop in the market, you just put on and you know, the things go on like that. But what is special in this dhoop? Like, what is special? There is a special thing, because you know, it is made under the grace of Shri Vena Bharati Maharaj. And guys, when you put on this dhoop in the room, not in front of the god, you can just put on this dhoop in the room at the evening time. You know, it gives so positive vibes. Like you know, I bought this the day before yesterday. I bought all the products, and you know, I just applied this dhoop last evening. So guys, you know, it gave me such positive vibes, and you know, it just calms your mind. It completely calms your mind, and it feels so fresh to you. You know, there are times when you feel lazy, when you feel like you shouldn't work and you should be like, so at that time you can use this dhoop in your room. It will refresh your you know, atmosphere. It will remove the negativity, and that is my personal experience. So guys, this is the Ahuti Dhoop, and I got this for 190. It has a special significance. So I feel that guys, there can be some there are some products which you feel that OMG, they are like you know, their price is high. But I feel that buy quality product, don't look at the price only. I feel that one should buy quality product, so that when you use that product, you feel that freshness around you, right? Okay, so guys, that was the Ahuti Dhoop. You can just you know, get that on the website, or else I'll be giving 2 numbers in the description box, or you can take these 2 numbers also. Just note it down, and you can WhatsApp on these numbers, or else you can just call and order for these products. So the next is my favorite, because I really love Krishna ji, and you know, he is really way too close to my heart. And guys, this is the book. So guys, this is you know, this book is published. This book is this book is published on Guru Purnima, the current Guru Purnima, and it is like this from inside. And And guys, what is special about this book is if you are, if you are weak at any subject, if you have some wishes which are not fulfilled, you can just write in this book. And I would say that this book is published with the grace of Shri Vena Bharti Maharaj. And guys, this book will really help you to grow your intelligence and to fulfill your wishes. And guys, if you write about a particular subject, example, if I am not good at maths and if I practice maths in this book, so for sure you are really gonna improve in that subject. So guys, I know it is it depends on people, like some say that, oh, how can you think like this, do these things really happen in today's world? So guys, it's okay, it's all up to you. If you want to use this book just as a casual book, you can use, means there is no issues in it. And I would really like to use this book for my daily to-dos. And I really love the picture. The main thing why I purchased this book, because I really love this picture of Krishnaji, and I wanted such a book. I wanted to have such a book for my daily to-dos, and this book is really very close to my heart. Alright guys, so you can you can get this book at Kapikul Siddhapeeth. Next, I didn't get this. My mom get this. And if the Guru, if the Guru Shri Vena Bharti Maharaj suggest you to buy this earthen pot, actually this is for Vastu, it removes the negativity. So if Guru suggests you, Shri Vena Bharti Maharaj Guru suggests you, then you can surely buy it for your Vastu. By the way, I love its color. And also it enhances my house. As you can see that my walls are pink and I have got blue curtains. Alright, so I can see that the time is still extending. How can I help out some things, guys? Alright, so guys, we just end up with all of these, and to this I would like to add some of the things. That where can you avail these products? Now let it be official and final one. Where can you avail these products? You can avail these products on the official website of Kapikulam. Link is given in the description box. You can contact the people by connecting with them on their Instagram ID, that is Kapikul Shoppy. Its link is also given in the description box. And guys, you can just call on the two numbers which are mentioned here on the screen, and you can WhatsApp, or you can just call and order for the products. The last thing and very much important thing, that if you are living in Nashik, you can visit this place in person and you can check out all the products, and you get a variety of things to just check out and buy things. So guys, these are really very quality products. And yeah, if you are going in person, so the main Kapikul Siddhapeetham is at Ramkund. You can just follow this address to reach there. Okay, so I feel that I'll be mentioning this address in the description box too. You can check out from there too. So guys, I would say that the products are really quality products, and I'm longing to use them in my daily life. And I'll surely share my reviews on my Instagram handle. My Instagram handle is @Conscious-Happy-Life. Link is given in the description box. And if you are new at my channel, so guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I know I say all of these things at the end of the video, but I am left to tell you many of the things right now. But yes, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe. And guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle, because every day I post so many new things. Let it be related to nature, let it be related to well-being, let it be hauls, let it be my travel videos. So there's a lot more that I post on my Instagram handle. So guys, don't forget to check it out. Alright guys, so I end up the part 2 of this vlog right here. Guys, this whole is one complete vlog which I have divided into 3 parts. And guys, it is really very essential that you watch this whole vlog because it is really very interesting and it is really very something new according to me. So guys, watch this complete vlog. The next vlog is just going to be about 5 to 7 minutes. Do take out some time from your daily schedule and watch this vlog, and don't forget to share it with your loved ones too, so that they also get benefited with these products and all of this information. So guys, see you all in part 3. Till then, bye bye.